Yo, check this out. You are walking every single day, trying to stay fit. But why does getting up from a low sofa still feel like a total struggle? Why do you feel that familiar unsteadiness, that wobble, when you step down a curb? Listen up. What if your powerful leg muscles are not actually weak at all, but they are simply asleep, completely inactive and ignoring the signals from your brain? This is no joke. This progressive leg weakness is the single ultimate loss of independence for people over 60. It is the main reason seniors lose the ability to trust their own body. It is the foundation of frailty that tragically leads to isolation, dependency on walking aids, and eventually, the fear of institutionalization. That fear is immediate and urgent. The fear of becoming trapped in your own home. The fear of losing the strength needed for simple survival tasks. But what if I told you that specialists have now identified the precise 3MUS TDO moves, a powerful, hyper-focused 10-minute daily routine that specifically and effectively wakes up the largest, most critical muscles in your body? It restores genuine power and profound stability better than any lengthy, generalized walk. This is not about tiring yourself out. This is about activating your survival engine. Stay right here with me, because I am going to reveal these 3MUS TDO moves. But first, you must understand the shocking mistake nearly every senior makes when they attempt to rebuild leg strength. This mistake directs all the effort to the wrong joint, causing pain and zero strength gain. This is the real tea you need to know. The entire strength and stability of your lower body is controlled by 3 distinct zones. Your glutes for power, your calves for push-off, and your ankles for balance. We are going to target these zones directly. USTDO move number 1, the sight to stand. This is the foundation of functional strength. Sit on a sturdy chair. Cross your arms over your chest. And stand up slowly without using your hands. Then very slowly, lower yourself back down. Repeat this 10 controlled times. This move powerfully strengthens your quads and glutes, the muscles required for lifting heavy things and maintaining posture. Now, listen to the absolutely essential warning. The major and universal mistake that completely ruins this move is starting it without first activating the gluteal muscles. Your body is master engine. Without this crucial pre-activation, your weaker quads and lower back take over the movement. This tragically directs all the intense strain to your delicate knees and lower back. This causes pain, severe inflammation, and zero effective strength gain in the muscles that truly matter. If you are feeling pain in your knees during these exercises, this is exactly why. You are bypassing the master muscle. So, before you do your 10 sit-to-stands, you need the 60-second glute reset. The clamshell reset is your 60-second answer. Lie on your side with your knees bent and stacked. Keep your feet touching, and simply rotate your top knee upward, opening your legs like a clamshell. Hold the top position for 3 seconds, and repeat for 30 seconds on each side. This instantly wakes up your glutes, the engine room of your lower body, making the main exercises safe, pain-free, and explosively effective. Now that your glutes are woke, let us hit the next move. USTDO move number 2, the stability calf raise. Stand facing a counter for support. Slowly raise your body up onto your toes. Hold for 3 seconds. And lower slowly. Repeat this 10 times. This move targets your calves, the engine for push-off and quick reflexes needed to stop a fall. The key to unlocking your leg power and preventing knee pain lies entirely in activating that master gluteal muscle. You have already learned the key, the 60-second clamshell reset. Now for the final move in your power plan. MUSTDO move number 3, the single leg ankle pump. Stand next to a counter for support. Lift one foot slightly off the floor and move the ankle of the lifted foot in slow, deliberate circles. Perform 30 seconds of circles in each direction. Then switch legs. This move powerfully strengthens the tiny, critical muscles around your ankles and hips, the ultimate stability system that keeps you upright. This is the move that prevents that ankle roll and saves you from a major wipeout. Your full 10-minute daily routine is simple. Start with the clamshell reset, then perform the sight to stand and the stability calf raise, finishing with the single leg ankle pump. By committing just 10 minutes a day, you are restoring your tripod of power, your hips, calves, and ankles. The profound result: you will gain powerful confidence. You will climb stairs effortlessly without needing the rail. You will be able to quickly change direction without the immediate fear of falling. This is the true excitement of taking back absolute physical control. Commit to the 3 MUSTDO moves starting today and reclaim your freedom from leg weakness forever. But I have one last crucial question for you. You are trying to be healthy. But what if the #1 vegetable that doctors widely recommend to lower blood pressure, the very one you conscientiously eat every single week, is actually causing dangerous, painful kidney stones? It is an insane twist. We will expose that common vegetable and give you the safe alternatives next time. Do not miss this essential health warning.